So today is Sunday. It's Sunday. But today I have a couple of things I need to take care of. I need to like do my full everything shower tonight because I start week 2 of work. We love that for me. I'm cooking dinner tonight. We're gonna have chicken, some baked chicken thighs, I believe some rice. So getting that all together. I need to go take the chicken out before I forget. So we're up here in my office because I am needing some hair to hit my head. I found my Old Faithful wig. It does have a weird smell to it, but I know ain't nothing on it. I just need to wash it after today so that I can wear it or whatever. And now, in order to pull off this wig for today, that means I need to braid my hair down because, honey, I literally just have a claw clip in my hair right now under this bonnet. So it looks like I'm about to be taking the next 30 to braid this all down. So I finished braiding up my hair. Remember how last week I told y'all that my screen time said I was at 16 hours every single day on social media? Well, it was only 10 that I was on my phone. It went down 34%. So next week, we're gonna hit for another slope. I'm trying to do about 7 hours. I'm now done with all my influencer stuff. So I'm about to go get ready to post this video that you're watching now.